Ever wondered how to travel to Bali on a budget? How to experience the lush landscapes, beautiful beaches, and vibrant culture without breaking the bank? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to budget-friendly travel in Bali. First things first, planning is key. When dreaming of a Bali vacation, consider traveling in the off-peak season. April to June and September to October usually offer more affordable prices and fewer crowds. This period, known as the shoulder season, is a sweet spot for cost-conscious travelers. Now, on to flights. Long-haul flights can be a significant chunk of your budget, so make friends with flight comparison websites. Sites like Skyscanner and Kayak will help you find the best deals. A pro tip: being flexible with your travel dates can lead to substantial savings. Once you land in Bali, local transport is your next consideration. Renting a scooter is an economical and popular option. It gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace while avoiding pricey taxi fares. But remember, safety first. Always wear a helmet and ensure you're comfortable with the driving conditions. Accommodation in Bali can range from luxury villas to budget-friendly hostels. If you're looking to save, consider staying in a guest house or a homestay. Not only are they wallet-friendly, but they also offer a more authentic experience. You can immerse yourself in the local culture and perhaps even pick up a few words of the local language. Food is another area where you can save. Avoid tourist hotspots and instead venture into local markets and street food stalls. Here you can savor delicious, authentic Balinese cuisine at a fraction of the price. From nasi goreng to satay, your taste buds and your wallet will thank you. When it comes to activities, remember, Bali is not just about the beach. Yes, the beaches are beautiful, but there's so much more to see and do. Visit the lush rice terraces of Ubud, explore ancient temples, or hike up Mount Batur for a sunrise you'll never forget. Many of these activities are low cost or even free. So, to summarize, plan your trip during the shoulder season. Be flexible with your flight dates and use comparison websites to find the best deal. Consider renting a scooter for local transport. Opt for guest houses or homestays for accommodation. Eat at local markets and street food stalls, and finally explore beyond the beach to find low-cost or free activities. Remember, traveling on a budget doesn't mean skimping on experiences. It's about making smart choices that allow you to enjoy everything Bali has to offer without emptying your bank account. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable, budget-friendly Bali adventure.